Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is JP. And for today's video, I want to share to you my review of the system that we installed for previous days, and I want to show you how to make a solids collector out of indigenous materials. And so let's go. For the past few days that we have our system, I've noticed that the fish tank is so very clean and there are no waste or pieces down below. And I wonder what happened with the bottom of the fish tank. And so I went to look at the solids collector and I found this. The solids or the waste of the fish were effectively collected by our solids collector, and it is trapped inside with our DIY fish solids collector. So basically guys, I went to look for a tool to get rid of the solids, and I found a stick just to remove the inside of the solids collector. And as you can see, I will be removing some of it so that it will not put the fish on harm because of the ammonia that is being trapped in the solids. And then all you have to do is to agitate the solids collector, and then it will goes up with the water through the pipe. And then as you can see, some of the solids are getting out, but anyway, later on it will be removed by this solid collector. Then some of the solids are going up and then is being transported to our solids filter bucket. Okay, so that's it. All you need to do is to agitate the solids below, and then later on it will be cleaned and no solids will be left inside the solids collector. I'm now going to show you how I did my solids collector for the fish tank and to collect the waste of the fish. And this one is a perfect material to be used for the collector. This is an empty bottle, so all we need to do is to cut it here, and then we will use the top portion and leave this one, put it away, and then maybe we can use this later on. And then this one will be our solids collector for the solids lifter. So using a cutter, we will cut this part here, and then we're going to prepare it, and we'll put holes on top so that it will serve as a passageway for our solids to be lifted up for our solids lifter. And so we'll cut this one. So after cutting the plastic bottle, all we need to do is to put markings on where do we want to put a hole in this top part of the plastic bottle, and then we'll use a pen to mark it down. And I have here a tool to put holes on it, so let's do it. Now that our plastic cup or plastic bottle has already markings on it, we will start putting some hole in this plastic bottle. Okay guys, that's it for now, and thanks for watching my video, and I hope you like it and you get a lot of information from it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below for more upcoming videos. So that's it. Thanks. Bye.